Hello everybody and welcome back. We haven't done a YouTube video for quite a while, but this year we're going to be doing Pete's Giant Onion Challenge for 25-26, and we've got our packet of Foster seeds, our seed, and we've already pre-filled a couple of little trays. Obviously one of them is going to be under grow lights and on a heat mat, and the other one will be just as it is in the conservatory with natural daylight, and we'll make a comparison between the two to see how it goes. So I've only just loosely put the compost in. So first of all we're going to just use the other tray just to compress, and you might be able to see that's actually made an indentation there, and I'll do the same with that one, and you can see they've both been compressed. So now we're going to put seeds in each one, and then we'll just sprinkle over some compost. There's lots of seeds in there. And we'll fill this and we'll just let it soak. One in each. And obviously I will remember to take them out, Pete, like you said, don't forget to leave them in the water. And hopefully I'll be up with you big boys, you know. We see, I'll give you a run for your money. I say, I've been on YouTube for a long time, and Pete has given me the inspiration to give it a go, and why not in a friendly challenge with quite a few other fellow YouTubers. And obviously there's lots of information to be learned here, because I mean I've been on YouTube for years and I'm just a novice, like most people are really. So we're getting there. They've got a few more to go. Oh, that one nearly fell out. Quite nice seeds these are from Foster's, big old seeds. I mean I didn't sort of pre-salt them like June did into the larger seeds, but I'm just banging them all in. I'll put that one back in there because I didn't use that one. And what I'm going to do now is just sieve some compost over the top. This is a sieve I use for straining the honey when I do the bees. I'll have to wash it off later. But just, yeah, nice little shake over there. Looks like it's snowing, doesn't it? Just to cover the seeds. Get going a bit quicker, there we go. And you can see how lumpy actually that compost is. Amazing, isn't it? I'm just going to push that down with another little tray. Take them out of there for now. Put that back in the bag. Put them back down there. Okay, and then what we're going to do, we're just going to put some water in the tray and we'll let them soak that up. So while they're doing that, we'll just write the label. I'll just put Pete's Giant Onion Challenge. We'll put lights and heat. Light and heat on one. And we'll do the same with this one. Pete's Giant Onion Challenge. And we'll put no heat. Okay, no heat. Right, so all we're going to do now then is let these two soak up the water. We'll take them out. One will go onto a grow mat under the lights, and one will just stay as it is on the bench here. Have a nice one. Great growing for 2025-26 Pete's Onion Challenge. See you next time.